Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's been 2 months since my last video. Well, it's the weekend, there's not much assignments, so I decided to make a video. Since all you know, I reached 100 subs a couple months ago. Thank you for the background music. And my cousin, the Mythius, or you should say Mythius, he made a play button, a homemade play button for my accomplishment of 100 subs. Here it is. Here's the front. There's the real play button. It has my name on it. And YouTube. And at the back, it says no copyright infringement needed. Intended. So come here. So why did you make this?
It's for my cousin. I've been always proud of him for what he's achieved in his life. He's been a great cousin. Well, I bet he's been a good friend to you and to his fans, subscribers.
Okay, that's the video. Yes, we wasted your time, but here it is. Subscribe to his channel, Mythius.
It will be removable.
Yes, it's removable. It's low budget, guys. Okay, so enjoy your weekend. I'll be back another video in a couple of centuries, and make sure to stay tuned for that. Bye.
Anong kailangan kong gawin